Welcome to Pinoy Cravings, where you can learn to cook what you crave. I'm happy to be back, but this time it's not anymore 1,000 subscribers. It's now 10,000 subscribers! Yay! So this is my face reveal part 2. So I only do this on a special occasion. So since this is a special video, I'm again revealing my face. On this video, I will be doing a cooking edition. So as promised from my previous post in my social media, I will be cooking in front of the camera. So before I do that, I want to thank everyone first for all your support. I cannot thank you enough. I would never reach this milestone without you guys. Aww. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I'm just overwhelmed that I have reached this journey. It's a long journey, but you're always there to support me. Why am I crying? So it's tears of joy because I'm really happy. Whew. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Alright. I just want to give thanks especially to my family, to my mom and dad, who's always been my #1 supporter from day 1 until now. Aww. Why am I crying? Because that's how I appreciate your support. And to my sister and to her husband, Sis AB and Eric of Irresistible Life Vlogs, thank you for your support. Yeah, especially for my sister who's always giving me a hand. Speaking of hands, yes, my sister also do cook some of my videos, so some videos are my sister's hand. Okay, thank you so much, sis. Also to my brother and my sister-in-law, which is Kuya OJ and Mystery Mom. And to my loving niece and nephew, which is Koy and Kel. Thank you also for supporting me, for being with me in this journey. And to my relatives and friends who are also there to help me. And of course, to all my 10,000 subscribers and counting, thank you once again for viewing and following my cooking recipes. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin the cooking edition! So this past few days, I've been thinking what dish should I cook for this special video. So I thought of randomly picking from few of my favorite dishes that I haven't uploaded yet, which are the sotanghon, bulalo, seafood cajun, what else? Tom yum soup, and carbonara classic Italian style. I also thought of adding the top viewed video, which is the chicken curry Filipino style, and also my first ever uploaded video, which is the sweet and sour meatballs. What I have done, I have found an app, which is, I will show it to you here. This app is like a spin a wheel. So I entered those 5 new dishes, including the 2 videos that I have uploaded, into that app. And then spin it. So this app will randomly pick one dish from those dishes that I have entered. And the winning dish is carbonara classic Italian style. Please keep watching and join me in preparing this delicious recipe from pan to plate. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm now here in the kitchen. So what I'm doing right now is I am boiling water for the pasta. While we are waiting for that to boil, let me show you first the ingredients for this dish. So what we have here is the pasta. Okay, this is 400 grams. We also have Parmigiano Reggiano. If you don't have this, you can use Parmesan cheese instead. Okay. So we also have here bacon. Okay. If pancetta is available, you can use that instead. Okay. Since I don't have pancetta, I will be using bacon. So we'll be needing 2 eggs and cloves of garlic. And for garnishing, we also need parsley. We will chop this later. Okay. And another one is butter. This is an optional ingredient just in case our bacon won't render fat. But as I see it, our bacon is fatty. It's more on fat, so I'm sure it will render fat later or oil later. So in that case, we won't be needing this later anymore. And also our salt and pepper. Okay? Alright, I think our water is already boiling, so I will just put this. We'll cook the pasta first. Alright, let's just add a little bit of salt. Okay, while that is cooking, let's go here. Okay, so let's now cook the bacon. So what I've done with this bacon is I already slice it in small pieces like this. Okay. Okay, so the pan is already hot. Let's put on our bacon. So by the way guys, I am not an Italian chef. So this dish is an adaptation from the few famous chefs that I have watched. Alright? So while the bacon is cooking, I will just put on 2 cloves of garlic at the center, just to have that garlic taste. Alright, while waiting for the bacon, let's prepare the egg and cheese. Okay, and the cheese. Alright, the cheese, grated cheese is about 2 tablespoons. Let's put salt. Alright, and then let's beat. The reason why I did not drain the pasta is because later on we might be needing the pasta water. Okay, so now this is already cooked. So before putting the pasta, remove the garlic first. Okay, I think we will not put everything. Let's see how much our pan can accommodate. Okay. Low heat only guys, And then this is the delicate part. You don't want the egg to be like an omelette. So while you are putting this, adding this, you have to make sure that you are tossing the pasta. Let's remove that from the pan. We'll be needing sauce, pasta water, add more pasta water. Okay, so let's. Of course, you have to cook the egg as well. That's why we are still keeping it on the heat. Okay, let's add pepper. Alright, and the last part is the garnishing. Okay. Voila! Alright, we are done. Let me just put it on the plate. And let's add some more grated cheese. Alright guys, here you go. This is our finished product. Carbonara, classic Italian style. It's very easy to make. I'm sure you can also do this at home. Let's try it. Oops. Big mouth. Mmm. 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 It is very, very delicious, guys. Promise, no joke. Alright, so that's it for our special video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please share this video, hit the like button, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!